Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to print patterns using for loop in Python. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss what kind of patterns we are going to print in this session. So guys, we are going to print this pattern first, then we will print this pattern, and then at the end we will print this pattern. So guys, now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, now we are going to print these patterns with the help of nesting of for loops. So let's use nesting of for loops for I in. And guys, I am using range function here and I am passing 5 to it because there will be 5 rows and 5 columns in this pattern. So let's use for loop of j, and here I am passing 1 comma I plus 2, and now I am printing asterisk. Guys, I am also using AND parameter here so that these asterisk will print in a single row, and at the end we will print a print function, because after completing the j loop, this print function will transfer the control in the new line. So guys, now if I run this program, output will be like this. So initially, when the value of I will be 0, control will be transferred to the for loop of j, and here the value of j will be 1, and 1 plus 0 plus 2 will be 2. So it will print only 1 star, and then this print function will execute, so the control will be transferred to the next line, and then I will be 1, and after that the value of j will be 1, and here the condition will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. So now this time it will print 2 star here, and after completing this for loop of j, this print function will execute and will transfer the control in the next line. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, we are going to print another pattern. So let's make few changes in this program. So guys, I am going to print value of j here. So let's start with the 1 and 6. And now guys, if I, so let's use 1 here. So guys, now if I run this program, output will be like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Guys, now we are going to print another pattern. So let's print I here. So this is the third pattern. So guys, if you print I, this pattern will be executed here or will be shown to you. Otherwise, if you print j here, this pattern will be shown to you. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.